Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to install a theme in WordPress. Now, the first thing I need from you is to make sure to get onto your WordPress admin dashboard. Then from there, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a bunch of options. Now, you want to go to the one that says Themes and just click on it. And then from there, you can go about adding themes. So right here, there's a blue button that says Add New. Just click that. And then from there, you'll be taken to a page that looks somewhat like this. And from there, you can actually upload themes. You have to make sure it's in the .zip format. If not, you won't be able to upload it. Now, just for this purpose of this video, I'm going to install a theme that's right from here. So just click Install. Then from there, I'll go ahead and install this theme onto your WordPress site, and that's it. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli with Tech Talk. See you next time.